Alright, what up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over how I afford the payments on my 2020 Supra. So I said a few videos ago that my payment was $440 a month, and I did put a good down payment down. So I put down 15 grand, plus I had a $7,500 trade-in. So I knocked about half the car, a little less than half the car out, just in my down payment and my trade-in. And my payments came out to $440 a month. And the other expensive part is the insurance for this car. It's definitely not cheap. I pay like for this vehicle and also my 2010 Ram 1500. I pay $500 a month for both vehicles, so I do get a little bit of a discount, the multi-vehicle discount. But this vehicle is the reason why the price of my insurance is so high. So just to drive this car, it's like, I don't know, somewhere around $650 a month maybe, not including like gas obviously. But so how I afford this? So I have a part-time job at UPS where I load trucks. I work like 20 hours a week. They give me full benefits, and a month I make around, it's only like $1,200 a month, but I get the benefits, so it's worth it. But where the main source of my income comes from is I make thumbnails. I do Call of Duty thumbnails for a bunch of YouTubers, mainly COD. I do a little bit of IRL here and there, but for the most part Call of Duty. I'll go ahead and pop up some clients on the screen right now. These are just a bunch of people that I work for or have worked for. Then also I can pop up on the screen some of the work I do. Some of it's old, probably most of it's old, because I know I don't really save a lot of my newer work, and I haven't really been posting a lot of my newer work since I got a good amount of people I work for now, so I'm not looking to do more additional work. So I haven't really been putting out a lot of my stuff because I don't want to like attract new customers. It's probably not a smart idea, but I don't know why I do it that way. But I'll try and throw in some Call of Duty and like some IRL stuff. Like I know for FaZe Santana, or I guess it's Santana now because he's no longer in FaZe Clan, but I know we were doing a lot of food videos, so that was like more like IRL style content. But yeah, this is how I make a majority of my money. Most of my clients, well actually all my clients are off of Twitter, or I guess X now. I get all of them through X, either through posting for like looking for work, or damn, that dude was chalked. But mainly word of mouth now, I guess. I've built like a pretty reputable, I guess, name for myself, so I don't really have to put out posts looking for work. I can kind of just get it spread through the word of mouth of people I work with, which is pretty cool. Although I'd say it's pretty time consuming now. It's not like a really 4-hour day like it used to be back like 4 or 5 years ago, because I've been doing this since like late 2017. Those used to be like 4-hour days, and now I'm working like at least 6 hours, sometimes 7 hours. Became more of like a full-time job for me. But I receive all my payments through like Cash App and PayPal, and I transfer them into my bank account at the end of the month. So I do pay taxes on all this stuff, which, I mean, you have to. It kind of sucks because like you're seeing like 30% of what you make gone every month. So But it's fun. A lot of these people, also a lot of people I'm working for, they're all moving out to Houston. I deadass might have to go to Houston, because I know the car scene is way better than what it is here in Pennsylvania. The car scene here is trash, or at least where I am in Pennsylvania. It's not bad in like Pittsburgh. But I definitely do want to go to Houston in like the next year or two. But I need to get an exhaust for this thing too. All I have is the catless downpipe. I was thinking about getting a Tomei, a single exit Tomei, because I want to do the OG Mark IV wing. So I kind of wanted to do a single exit as well. Well, I don't know, tires might be first. So if you guys don't know, I'm tuned as well. Downpipe tuned E85. Well, I'm not in E85 right now, but I can go on E50. But I need to get some tires for the rear, because these don't really hook that well. Cops. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about what I do, and if I didn't answer like all of them in the video, if I wasn't like super clear, let me know in the comments and I'll answer them.